Hi friends, so today I will let you know how to upload users and delete users from multiple device. So let's चलते हैं. Let's log in into eSSL time track software. Okay, so username is eSSL, password is as per you set. Okay, so we logged in on that eSSL software time track version 11. Okay, click on utilities. Okay, here is the two option. If we want to upload the users to multiple device, अगर आपके पास में बहुत सारी like 3, 4 or more than 5 or 10 machines हैं. Okay, so before first you can add these device in your eSSL software और single time में आपको अगर कोई user delete करना है और upload करना है तो then we can use these options. First I will show you how to upload to users multiple device. Okay, so we can click on upload users to multiple device. So I am clicking and here is the two options. Okay, so right now we have a two device, okay, in our office. So I want to upload like these first users. Okay, first users I want to upload in both machines. This option also work like if you enroll any employee in first machine, okay, and it is not syncing this to second machine, so we can upload the users from here. And that option also, I will show you another option how we can sync, but first we can upload like single users, like if you enroll the users from software and how to upload this detail to both biometric machines. Okay, so I want to upload these users to both biometric machines, then you can select. Okay, and also you can select cards, fingerprints, face. If you have, then you can click on upload. So these user details automatically uploaded in both device. Okay, so after that you can enroll their face, enroll their fingerprints, enroll their cards, then it will be working. Okay, if you upload it from here, then it will be automatically working without doing any activity. And second option, delete users from multiple device. Like same things, if you have a multiple device, you want to delete this any particular users from your biometric device on a single click. Okay, so then you can select any users, okay, and select the device as well from which device you want to delete. And please, this is the important things, if you want to delete single device that particular users, then you can select as per your requirement. And if you want to delete this particular users from all device which is reflecting here, then you can select all these. Okay, then click on delete. That's it. That user will delete it from your all devices which is you selected. So that is the option for uploading and deleting users from multiple device. So thank you so much for watching the video. Have a good day. Thank you.